Hello children, the day of Ashura. Omar Saad's army prepared for war. The sound of the war drum reached everyone's ears. Borer came to the service of the Imam. He asked Imam Hussain for permission to fight. When he went to the battlefield, the Imam's companions started reciting takbir and salutations. No one came to fight against Borer. You know who then came to fight Borer? Yazid ibn Nakil. Both of them decided to do Mubahila. Dear children, do you know what Mubahila is? It is when both of them ask Allah to withdraw His mercy from the one who is wrong. Yazid ibn Nakil confronted Borer and they both decided to fight. Borer fought and was eventually martyred. After him was Wahab. He was brave and courageous. He loved his mother and wife very much. He went to his mother before coming to the battlefield.
Mother, are you content with me?
I will not be satisfied with you until you are martyred in the path of the Imam.
Don't give me the pain of your separation.
My son, don't listen to these things. Sacrifice your life for the Prophet's son and seek his intercession in the hereafter.
Wahab went to the field and fought. He was injured. His wife looked after his injury.
My life be sacrificed on you. Fight for the Prophet's son and family.
He went to the field again. And when his wife saw him injured, she went to the battlefield to help him.
Where are you going?
I will come with you.
When Imam Hussain saw this scene, he asked Wahab's wife to go to the tent. She obeyed the Imam. Finally, Wahab was martyred. After him was Imam's companion Muslim bin Orsaja, a senior figure of Bani Asad and a follower of AHLULBAYT. He was a brave rider. Muslim bin Orsaja participated in wars with Imam Ali. When Imam Hussain sent Muslim bin Aqil to Kufa, he was in charge of collecting wealth. Muslim was martyred. As he was taking his last breath, the Imam came near Muslim ibn Orsaja and said,
O Muslim, may Allah have mercy on your parents. You came for us. Your martyrdom is more difficult for me than death. But I give you the good news of paradise. God is pleased with you.
If I did not believe that I will be martyred after you, I would have told you to tell me your last wishes.
Muslim bin Orsaja looked at Imam Hussain and said,
Habib, I request you to be a martyr for the Imam's cause.
I will fulfill your wish and make you happy.
After him was the turn of a handsome man, Ammar bin Ansari. He came to the field with the Imam's permission. His father was with Imam Ali. He joined Imam Hussain on the 6th of Muharram. The Imam sent him with a message to Umar Saad. When the soldiers of the Syrian army threw stones at the Imam, he was injured while stopping them with his hands. He came to the service of the Imam and asked,
O son of the Messenger of Allah, did I fulfill the promise?
You will go to heaven before me. Give my greetings to the Messenger of God and say that Hussein is coming to you soon.
The Syrians were celebrating, and the soldiers of Hussein's army were asking the Imam for permission to fight and go to the battlefield. They used to cry when they saw the army humiliating the Imam.